So at the new birth, your spirit is born again. At the new birth, the Holy Spirit, the wonderful Holy Spirit, comes into your spirit, your human spirit. That is, the presence and the power of God now resides within you. You are now one. You are now one with the infinite. There's no separation. There's no him being there or she being there and you being here. We are now one. So the human spirit, the new birth, is the rebirth of the human spirit. But then there's another step, and that is the soul has to be restored, and indeed is restored at that second that you give your life to Jesus Christ. Your soul, which consists of your mind, your will, emotion, is now aligned with the divine. And I can say, because of such, all is fine. But wait, there is more. We're going to talk about the mind next. What happens after you experience the new birth? Pastor Kemp will be back.